Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix NVIDIA graphics card not showing in Device Manager. So if you have that issue or errors like this happening, you just go to your Device Manager, right? Click here on your start icon, click here on a Device Manager, and then what I want you to do is click here on View, and then click on Show Hidden Devices, okay? And then what I want you to do, because this one will be displayed, Microsoft Basic Display Adapter, I want you to right click on it and then click on update driver. I'll show you how I fixed mine and how I have this showing up here now. What you want to do is click on browse my computer for drivers. And then what I want you to do is click here. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click on that. And then here, just click on show all devices, click on next. What I want you to do is uncheck this one where it says show compatible hardware. Uncheck this, it will show the different manufacturers, and I want you to choose NVIDIA, and then go ahead and choose the model, the relevant GPU model for your PC. So for my PC, I come here to my system, just right click on your start icon here, click on system, you'll see your PC, you go ahead and search it up on Google, the relevant graphics card, and then you just come back here, you choose that graphics card. So for me, it was this one right here. As you can see, I just went here and I found it. And then you just go ahead and click on it. Then you click on next. And then when it gives you this warning, just go ahead and click on yes and proceed. And then you'll fix your issue. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.